Alright, good afternoon folks. This is your free video update from Seasonal Swing Trader. Today is Thursday, June 27, 2019. Today we're going to take a look at a high probability seasonal trade in corn futures. Symbol is ZCU 2019. ZCU is the September contract. ETF traders can trade CORN, that's the ETF for corn futures. And what we're looking at here, and you can see on the daily chart, we are at very elevated prices. You see this large movement up, almost vertical move. That was largely due to the flooding that was going on in the Midwest. Now that that has subsided just a bit, we're looking at now at a possible trade to the short side. We have very, very high probability seasonalities. In fact, if you take a look at the 5, 15, and 30-year price averages from a historical standpoint, this is where we are right now. You can see right around at the end of June and going all the way into September and even October, we should see lower prices. So looking at the chart here, we also have a high probability 1, 2, 3 pattern. If you've been following me for quite some time, it's one of my favorite go-to patterns. So we have a 1, and then a 2, and then a 3. And so that is a 30-cent distance. So we have a 470 high, a 440 low, that's 30 cents. So we'd be looking for a projected target, initial target of around 410. Well, why does this excite me? So 410 takes us right down here to this previous support structure. And then also, if we take a 50% retracement from this swing high down to this swing low, what do you know? It is also the 50% retracement level right there at the 410 level. So 30 cents is $1,500 a contract. On the big contract, there's also a mini contract that you can trade for less risk and less size. And so that's what we're looking at. So we're watching and waiting patiently for breaks and closes down below the 440 with initial stops up here at 470 and then targets down here at the 410 level. If you don't want to trade corn futures, as I said, you can go into CORN, the ETF, and buy put options. You can also trade corn futures options. Be looking at the December contract, give this enough time. So that symbol is ZCZ for the DECE contract. And then I would be eyeballing the September 20th expirations or the November 22nd expirations. If you were to buy a put, you can see the premiums as of this recording are right around 25 cents or $1,200. If you wanted to purchase an at-the-money put, about the 4.5s. If you were selling some options, selling some premium, you could see what you could get perhaps going out here. The 5-cent strikes right now are going for about $600 or so. So that just gives you an idea about where the premium lies right now. But we won't be doing anything until we start getting breaks down below the 440. So hope that helps, and we'll see you on the next update.